Hello students, today we'll be starting with the 7th chapter, that is the sky is falling, right? Let us read this story. Let us see what is the story about. So lesson 7, the sky is falling. So Kut, a hen was standing near a coconut tree, right? This means at starting where there was a hen, right? What was the hen doing? Standing near a coconut tree. This coconut tree, we can see a nut fell down from the tree, right? So a nut, this we can see it fell down from the tree, right? The hen thought that something has fallen from the sky, right? So the hen thought that the sky is falling. The hen did not recognize that it is the nut from the coconut tree, right? And thought that the sky from the above it is falling. So let us see what the hen now does. The cock asked, "Why are you running?" So when the hen was running, when she was running, the cock asked, "Why are you running?" The hen then in a hurry, what she replied to the cock, that "Run, the sky is falling," means the hen thought that the sky was falling instead of thinking that the nut from the coconut tree had fallen, and now she is spreading the news that the sky is falling. That is why the name of the chapter is also, we see, sky is falling. So after hearing that the sky is falling, the cock, what he did, the cock said, "I am also coming." So they ran together. Firstly, it was only the hen, she was running, right? She thought that sky is falling and she was running. Now after the cock got the news, he also ran with hen, right? Now they both are running, and let's see next whom they are meeting, right? See, on the way they met a duck. So now hen and cock both were running, and on their way they met a duck. What did the duck say? "Quack quack, why are you running?" Right? The duck is now asking that why they both are running. The hen again said the same thing to the duck, what she had said to the cock. What she said, "The sky is falling." Now after hearing this news, the duck said, "I am also coming with you," and they ran together. See, now first it was only the hen, then cock and duck, they both ran together. Now all the three are running. Now let's see whom they meet the next. A rabbit saw them running. "Rabbit, why are you running?" Now after duck, who did they saw? Rabbit, right? So now the rabbit is now also asking that why are they running. The hen again said the same thing to the rabbit also, that "Run, run, the sky is falling." So the rumor is being followed one by one, right? This rumor is spreading that the sky is falling. So now all the four, the cock, hen, duck and the rabbit, right, all of them are running in a queue, and they are thinking that the sky is falling, right? The sky is falling. So now they came to the cave of the fox. They came to the cave of the fox. She asked, "Oh my dear, what is the matter?" Right? Seeing all of them running in a hurry, the fox asked them that, "What is the matter? Why are you all running?" The hen said, "The sky is falling. We are all going to the king's place." What is the hen answering? The same thing the hen is answering that she had told to all the other animals, that the sky is falling, so we are all running to the king's palace, right? Who is the king of the jungle? The fox said, friends, I know king's palace. I will take you there. Now the fox is taking them to the king's palace, right? The fox went into the cave, and then the hen, cock, duck and rabbit went to the cave one by one. All they are now following the fox. So the story is being stopped here, and there's a question mark for the end of the story, that guess what had happened then. So can you guess what would have happened there? It was just a rumor that the hen has spread, right? Was the sky really falling? No, it was only the nut from the coconut tree, right, that had fallen, and there was a misunderstanding to the hen. The hen did not understand, and she spread the news that the sky was falling. So this was the story about